Hi everyone and welcome to another leg and core session. If you haven't checked out my other leg and core exercises, make sure you check them out. I hope you all are ready and warmed up. So now let's get started. We're going to begin today's session with front and side kicks. So you kick forwards, kick to the side, front and to the side. This is a good starting exercise as it will help warm up all your leg muscles and also get you started for next exercises. This might also be challenging for your balance because you're standing on your one foot while you're kicking out. So be sure to do it slowly and make sure you have your balance when you do this. Kick as high as you can go. So you can start low and as you get better, you can try to kick higher and higher. Next exercise is called side to side squats. For this, we're going to be sitting down on one edge of the chair. Stand up, step to the side and sit on the other edge of the chair. So we're going to try to combine two exercises in this. We're doing a squat, side step and squat. Along with strengthening your lower leg muscles, this also helps with your balance because you're taking sideways steps while doing the exercise. Breathe out as you're standing. Next exercise is called side shuffle. This is a very good dynamic, explosive type of exercise that really helps strengthen your muscles, your balance and your coordination. So you just shuffle to the side and to the other side. So as you're moving side to side, your feet touch and then you move to the side and then to the other side. If this is too confusing or difficult for you to do, just keep doing side to side steps with your hips and your knees bent. Try to practice this first. And then as you get better at this, you can do the shuffle. Next exercise is called bilateral leg raise. For this, place both your hands under your lower back. While you're doing this exercise, always remember to keep your back flat on the mat. You start by raising both your legs up. Keep your chin tucked. Slowly lower your legs down and lift up. Go as low as you can. Try not to touch the ground and lift up. Make sure you do this exercise as comfortably as possible without hurting your back. That's the main aim of this exercise, to strengthen your core muscles, which will help support your back more. If this is too difficult for you, you can also try to bend your knees slightly and then do the exercise. And slowly you can progress to straightening your knees. And now finally we have come to the last exercise, which is called toe touch crunches. For this exercise, you start with lifting both your legs up, tuck your chin and then try to reach your toes. This might be very difficult and complicated for some people, so I have added a modification in this exercise. You just try to slide your hands down your leg and try to reach as far as you can. Try to reach your ankles and slowly slide your hands down. So while you're doing this, you're really contracting your upper abs to help your arms reach down your legs and lower down. Breathe out as you're sliding your hands down the leg. Breathe in, then you slide down. So that's the end of my video for today. I hope you enjoyed doing these exercises. Take care everyone, and I will see you next week. Bye.